Targeting the premium US audience is a massive opportunity. You can capture high ad rates and scale a business without ever appearing on camera. This chart tracks the revenue of a single Faceless channel. Notice the spike here. That is a peak month reaching $6,500. When we look at the lifetime performance, the total crosses $180,000, all from a channel with just 100,000 subscribers. To replicate these results, you need a precise production pipeline. We are breaking down the 5-step system that moves a video from research to final publication. Following this framework allows you to build a content library that consistently meets YouTube's professional standards, which is the primary requirement for long-term growth and monetization. Step 1 begins with identifying high RPM niches, like finance, technology, or make money online. In these categories, advertisers pay significantly more to reach a specific US viewer. Within these niches, you are looking for an outlier. On this chart, the uniform bars represent a channel's typical performance. This massive glowing bar is the outlier. It marks a specific topic that has already triggered a surge in audience demand. Extract the core theme of that outlier. By using a topic with proven traction, you are grounding your research in actual viewer data rather than guesswork. Once you have your topic, step 2 is scripting. You can use an AI tool like Claude or ChatGPT to organize the research and generate a foundational outline. However, simply copying and pasting AI output creates a major risk. YouTube systems are designed to flag repetitive and mass-produced content, which can lead to a channel being demonetized. You must intervene in the AI draft. Rewrite the hook, adjust the conversational tone, and inject unique examples that the AI wouldn't include on its own. This human layer turns a generic script into a unique piece of content. It acts as a necessary firewall that keeps the channel compliant with YouTube's monetization policies. Step 3 is translating that customized script into the professional voice of your channel. You can send the script to a professional human voiceover artist or utilize a high-quality AI voice generator. If you choose an AI voice, you must manually audit the track. Listen closely for pacing errors, mispronunciations, or ignored punctuation marks. The vocal tone must also match the niche. For example, a mystery channel requires a sense of curiosity and tension, while a travel channel should sound upbeat and welcoming. Step 4 is the assembly of the video. When you open your editing software, lay down the completed audio track first to serve as the master timeline. Now layer high-quality stock video from sites like Storyblocks or Pexels over that audio track to visualize the story. There will be times when you need to use third-party clips or public domain footage. Using content you don't own can expose you to copyright strikes. To minimize risk, follow fair use. Notice the raw footage sliced down on the timeline. Keeping unowned clips under 15 seconds is standard for safety. Next, transform the clip. Ensure your voiceover provides context, and overlay custom graphics to make the result unique. By combining short durations with layers of original audio and graphics, you effectively eliminate the technical triggers for copyright strikes. Step 5 is packaging the video with a high-contrast thumbnail designed to stop the scroll. Your design should iterate on what is already working. In this split screen, we compare a successful competitor's thumbnail with a new variant that optimizes those same proven visual elements for a fresh audience. The most common point of failure for new creators isn't technical, it's psychological. Many give up when their first 5 or 10 videos fail to gain traction. Think of the 30 video mark as a critical data threshold. Until your channel has roughly 30 uploads, the algorithm hasn't collected enough signals to build an accurate profile of who your ideal viewers are. To reach that threshold, aim for a consistent publishing cadence of 10 to 12 monthly videos. This volume provides the algorithm with the data needed to identify the right viewers, allowing your channel to tap into the high-value US audience. You have moved from a raw idea to a fully compliant, monetizable asset that is ready for the platform. This layered workflow bypasses the repetitive content filters that often flag and demonetize mass-produced one-click AI channels. Once you hit publish, the momentum continues. Immediately return to the data to find your next outlier and start the cycle again. Mastering this repeatable pipeline is what turns a simple Faceless channel into a highly profitable and scalable business.